Hey everyone, welcome back to The Silver Lining here on YouTube, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Sarah, and today I'm going to share with you what's coming in November in the Joyful Jordan box. The Joyful Jordan box, for those of you who may not know, is Jordan Essentials subscription box. It ships for free to subscribers, or it can be purchased on any party order or any retail order with anything else throughout the catalog at any time. Subscribers get the perk of free shipping, and it ships automatically each month straight to your door. And the cool thing about being a subscriber is that it comes to your door each month. You get a chance to try these Jordan Essentials products out and get acquainted with the brand that brings you non-toxic, botanically based products that are safe for you and your whole family. So without further ado, let's go ahead and open this month's Joyful Jordan box. Inside this little box of awesomeness is always a postcard. This postcard says, "You are the joy to my world." So nothing like a little nod to the holiday season as we enter November. On the other side of the postcard is a little description of each one of the products and a picture of what's inside. So let's just go in order here, and I'll show you the products that are in here. The first one is Holiday Cheer scent and exclusive label in the magnesium Dead Sea Salt soak. This is a product like what we have in our holiday catalog in this little tube. This is 3.5 ounces of our magnesium Dead Sea Salt soak, so perfect for a couple of baths or several showers to get those great benefits while you're bathing of those essential oils and the magnesium. Holiday Cheer is frankincense and orange essential oil Dead Sea Salt soak. Immerse your senses in pure relaxation and ease muscle tension in a soothing, fragrant bath of frankincense and orange essential oils and magnesium. Pour about half of the tube into your bath and enjoy. So like I said, you could use this in the bath or the shower. In the shower, what you would do is plug up your drain, either plug it up like you were taking a bath, let the shower water still rinse over. Once the shower gets to just about covering your feet, you can start to let it drain, but that allows the essential oils and the magnesium to soak through your feet while you're showering, and our feet have the largest pores in our body, so that really helps with the absorption, and then it starts to circulate and you get those great benefits right away. Next is Holiday Cheer, which is frankincense and orange shea butter in this little tub. This is a 2-ounce tub of our rich emollient shea butter. It softens dry skin, and you can enjoy the festive scent of frankincense and orange essential oils. Generously apply this to your skin, paying close attention to those extra dry areas. Now, I love our shea body butters all year long because I like that creamy lotion, but this is especially great during these colder months as our skin starts to dry out more naturally. This really helps to replenish that moisture to our skin. We've got a couple of exclusives here as well. This says Snow Place Like Home. This is a body spray. Refresh with an invigorating blend of rosemary, juniper, and eucalyptus essential oils, infused with our beneficial magnesium for an additional touch of rejuvenation. Mist over your body, often for a refreshing experience. Now, one thing I love about our body sprays is that you can also use it as a room spray, and this one really gives that wintry touch to your room because these fragrances are cooling and refreshing, and they just make the room and your body smell so good. Plus, if you're using it as a body spray, you get those benefits of the magnesium. The fourth item in the box this month is Snow Place Like Home Hand and Body Lotion. And our hand and body lotions are a little bit thinner of a formula than our Shea body butters, but they are great for all over as well. They are infused with magnesium. So if you know anything about magnesium, you may know that it is a salt-like ingredient. So using it on freshly shaved skin may cause a little bit of tingling. So just take a little bit of my warning from my personal experience and use it all over except for freshly shaved skin. This is that same blend of rosemary, juniper, and eucalyptus essential oils blended with magnesium, aloe, shea butter, and sunflower oil to replenish and restore your skin's natural moisture balance. You can generously apply this over your whole body. What I'm liking about this box is I'm actually seeing 2 gifts that you could pair together, maybe boost it with something else like a lightly scented candle to make your bath time feel really calming, soothing, really like a little bit of self-care this holiday season. And then this duo can be paired together and maybe just want to find a little snowflake or something that is a little bit more decorative to put with these items. And this is great for you to sort of layer this fragrance and these benefits of the essential oils and magnesium. Obviously, these 4 products go together so nicely and they make such a beautiful gift. And this is such a great value at $29. If you're a subscriber, then you even get free shipping. But the fact that you could break these apart into 2 smaller gifts and mix and match or add additional items makes this such a steal. You can really start thinking about gift giving this season. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions about the Joyful Jordan box, please reach out. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about Jordan Essentials as a whole and seeing what other kinds of non-toxic, botanically based, beneficial products we have, then be sure and check out the description box below because I will have all of my links down there, and you can always reach me in the comments here through my Instagram account or my Facebook page. So I hope that you enjoyed this. I hope you consider Jordan Essentials for either yourself or for gift giving this season. I appreciate you being here. I hope that you give me a thumbs up on your way out. Consider subscribing because you'll see a little bit more of these good ingredient type of videos, as well as some tidying, decluttering, and cleaning inspiration around here. So thanks so much for being here. I appreciate you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.